pwede. Magtagal lang ng cheese.
Pero ang sarap, right? Okay naman kayo dyan?
Oo.
Welcome po sa aking last set.
Wow.
Hindi pala. Thank you so much.
Why not, Jim? Why not di ka magganto-ganto?
Paano makakapag, day off nga niya, hindi niya masakyo.
No, I cannot.
Sige, kakanta muna ako.
Go.
Walang na.
Tapos kakanta ka ulit ha, paikot-ikot lang tayo.
Hindi, magpa-album launching ka.
Yan, bongga.
No.
Let's go.
Parang maganda sa yung Defying Gravity, yung mga ganon.
Hindi ko pa memory.
Maganda sa kanya yung Voltes 5.
Voltes 5. Kaya niya yun. Ay, nagbibigay ng pera yan.
Tama.
Madam, wait lang.
Kim, ako okay lang na walang tip. Kasi tropa tayo eh.
Oh.
Pero,
Madam, except sa Voltage 5, ano pa?
yun lang daw talaga.
Dahil kakantay ka Voltage 5, mawawala yung career ko.
Destiny nga.
Destiny daw.
Destiny?
Kasi
Destiny's Child.
Ano? Destiny's Child?
Breakman.
You're my destiny.
Do it yun eh.
O, hindi mag-do it tayo.
Tara, let's go.
Dinamay mo pa ako.
Ah,
Iinom nga ako dito.
Magigib song yan ng ano.
Hindi. Kung magbibigay yan sa'yo na lang, ako okay na ako. Kasi
Ay, nakakahiya no.
gusto ko lang naman mapagod kaya nagsiset ako. Go. Ito na lang gamitin ko.
Let's go.
Mas balance eh. Jim Brickman yun. Doon ba to? Hello po, magandang gabi.
Who do it?
What if I never found you? O ikaw ulitin mo.
Ulit. Ikaw pala yung isa. How do you discuss it? Nawala.
How did this come to me? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you deep inside my heart, I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart, so di na ka-live. I love to have it all, and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, wanted someone that found on to. Now you know it's there for me when you say forever. I believe, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to have it all.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. Baby, I believe the chance of your faith. Baby, I believe the love will find a way. Jen, nakapag-share go ka na ba? What if mag-share go tayo sa November? Eto, si Kim. Sa kanya tayo mag-book. Di-discount lang tayo ni Kim. Baby, you're my destiny. Ano? Sabihin mo lang.
Dapat
Ano
may
title?
Hindi yung option lang dito sa
Ito nga.
Let's go Gayuma.
Sabihin mo lang yung title.
Let's go, Gayuma.
Kaya.
Ano na lang?